hi, hello. Welcome to my channel. Hey, hi, hello. Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, it's your girl Unique and I am back with another video. It's been a while. But today I'm doing a different type of video. So let me tell y'all what happened. Adult life be adult lifing, okay? And my battery in my car has recently gone up, so I had to go to the AutoZone and get me a new battery. Well, first I got my battery tested. They told me it wasn't no good. So I bought me a new battery. If you have a Honda, I got a 2018. I'm just going to run down the price for y'all. And I think from 2017 to like 2020, they're all about the same price. I got the one that was with the 3-year warranty. It's a gold, a Duraplast gold. It was $251. So I said, I spent $251 on that battery. I'm not finna pay a mechanic to put it in. And I looked at YouTube and can do it myself. So I'm here today. Let me go ahead and get to the point because I'm talking a lot. You girls talking a lot. I'm here today to show you ladies, you don't need now, man, to put your battery in your car. Roll with your girl. We're going to do this in under 10 minutes. At least that's what the video said. Amen. Amen. All right. So I'm going to put this in and I want y'all to watch me. All right. Let's go. All right. That's how you pop the hood on the Honda. And then when you got this little lever here, you want to lift that up, pop the hood, stick that in there. Now I'm going to bring you over here. For all the girlies that don't know where your battery is, let me show you my mom. All right. You see this? This right here is your battery. You got your positive terminal in the red, and you got your negative terminal over there in the black. Okay? All right. Okay, so from what the man told me in the video, if y'all don't have a drill, I have a drill because, again, I do fix things sometimes. But the drill is the easiest way to go to take all the little screws out, bolts, whatever you want to call it. He said a drill is the easiest way to go. This is when the drill is going forward, okay? You want to make it so it's going like that, backwards, to pull it out, okay? This is for my girlies. Removing bolts and putting them back in 101. All right, y'all ready? Let's do it, my mom. So I'm going to just go by what he said. Y'all watch me now. Okay, y'all. So I got my socket attached. I want to make it so it's going this way. You're going to start here. Let me go. Wait. We learning together. See that? So, oh, I didn't take it all the way off. Joke's on me. Haha, just playing. Okay. Oh, take it back, Jesus. We're learning together, girlies. Now, y'all see, that was easy. That took a couple seconds. So, he wasn't lying about that part. So, now you want to loosen the main bolt. He said loosen, not take it all the way off. Okay. Loosened. Real good. Move that. He said you want to loosen this one. So, that's what I'm doing, girl. Period. Okay, y'all see that? Now we loose as a goose. Don't get me started. All right, mama. Okay, hold on. Now we're loosening on the negative terminal of the battery. Just like that. Loose, loose, loose. All right, on the positive side, you want to do the same thing. If we get all the stuff removed, girl, you want to take the bracket, put it somewhere where you can see it. Because we don't want to lose it. So we just going to sit it right there. Because I got my eyes on you, boo. Next step. All right. So now we're going to come back to the battery, sis. You want to take off the negative terminal first. Always take off the negative. Wiggle it, pull it. It should come right off. Okay. We're coming over to the positive side. And you want to wiggle. And she should pop right off. Sit it to the side, right, mama? All right. So now, girl, we done did all the hard part, sis. You see what I'm saying? Not a man in sight. And you want to get the handle. Okay, get your handle. And then pull out. She a little heavy. Now at this point, you know, this where we're gonna have to use a little muscle. Put her back into it, okay? But it should come right out. Can y'all see me? Oh, wait. My Lord. Y'all see? The battery is out. And I did that by myself. No man. Woo. All right. So now we're going to get the new battery and we're going to put it in. Hold on. Alrighty, y'all. So this is my new girl. I call her Ballarisha. You want to pick her up back in this thing because that's where it looked like it's supposed to go. Y'all give me a second. Tuck the end real nice and neat. Whew. All right. I'm going to meet y'all back over putting her back in. All right, hold on. Remember how I was telling y'all we got it in there. You wanted to take off when you were taking it out. You wanted to take off the negative first. But this time you want to make sure the positive is on first. Then we'll put our negative on there. Okay. So now you got them on. And now remember how we were going backwards? Now we can go forward. And you want to screw that back on there real nice and tight. See that? I keep doing it. I don't know why. It's a quick, you just pop it right back on. Nice and tight. All right. So they should be nice and secure. It looks exactly how when we started. That's what I'm worried about. I wanted to look exactly how when I started. And that's what it looks like there. All right. So next we're going to do the bracket. All right, sis, I'm back. So for the next part, you want to put the bracket back in, but I couldn't record that because you have to put it inside the holes, and I couldn't hold the camera and do that. So just make sure when you sit the bracket back in there, you turn it so that there's some holes at the bottom. You'll see them. Just shine your camera light down there, and it's really, literally, they're big. So you could just make sure it's turned to hook into that. And this next part, I can't hold the camera because I'm going to have to put it back. I'm going to have to hold this bar while I drill it back in place, okay? So you want to hold the bar. Like, see, my little hole, it came out on this side. So I've got to fix that. But it's back there. So hold up on the bar as you're putting it in place. Okay? That might have been too far. You don't want it to have any give. And then again, you want to hold up on the bar. And see, that still got some give to it. So you just want to keep working with it. Like that. There's our finished battery. And now there's only one more part to the test. And that is to test the battery. Okay? So let's see if it works. All right, sis. So this is the last part. I'm going to sit my drill down so y'all know this is happening in real time. Ain't no for play. All right, sis. You ready? You know how to start your Honda. Put your foot on that pedal, on that brake, and start up. And tell me my name ain't unique. All right, y'all see that? Now, when you first start the car, all your lights are gonna come on the car, all of them. He said they come on because it restarts your system, your radio. None of that's gonna work when you first start it up. It's gonna say that, and all your lights are gonna come on. They're gonna say that nothing works, and you know, but once you give it a minute and you turn it off and cut it back on, everything should work fine. It even says this isn't working, so you wanna do that. Let's try one more time. She starts fine. The system has to restart, so give it some time. But yeah, we're all good to go. You good to go, sis? And that is how, as an independent woman, I changed my battery in less than 10 minutes. Y'all have a good evening. Bye.